we are given x square plus 4y square equals to 17. We can write this as x square plus 2y square equal to 17. This can be further written as x plus 2y or square minus 4xy equals to 17. And when we solve this, we get x square plus 2y raised to power 2. So on solving this, we get x plus 2y raised to power 2 minus 4 times, and the value of xy, that is 2, equals to 17. And on solving this, we get x plus 2y raised to power 2 equals to 17 plus 8, that is 25, and we get the value x plus 2y equals to 5. We cannot take the other value, that is minus 5, because x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. So we have to find the value of x cube plus 8y cube, which can be written as x cube plus 2y cube, and this can be equal to x plus 2y whole cube minus 3 times x times 2y bracket x plus 2y. Now substitute the value of this, so we get x plus 2y equals to 5 cube minus 3 times 2 times the value of xy, that is 2, and the value of x plus 2y, that is 5. So on solving this, we get 125 minus 3 times 2 6, 6 times 2 12, 12 times 5 60, and on solving this we get 65.